Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Coin and Currency Club. So for $11.99 a month you get a crisp collector's grade coin and banknote from anywhere in the world. And then you also get a postcard full of facts, statistics, photos, history of the nation where the currency came from. So I think that's a really fun idea. I personally used to collect coins as a child, and now that I'm older, Jackson and I collect pressed pennies, wheat pennies, stuff like that, and he's really into it too, so I think he's gonna love this subscription. So in each envelope, this is like a month subscription. So they ended up sending me a 3-month subscription just so that you guys can see, get a better idea of what their subscription consists of. So let's go ahead and open the first packet. First, I love this packaging. It's very fun. And I have no idea what to expect. They did not tell me what countries I was getting or anything. So, nicely folded. Cool. They're even in little envelopes too. Interesting. And I'm not even going to try to pronounce that because I know I'm not going to be able to. But it's postcard. Ah, very cool. And they speak Arabic, French, Somali. Very cool. My friends and my husband make fun of me because I'm not good at geography. So this may actually help me out. Oh, this is so cool. Look at that note. It's so interesting to see other countries' money. I've always been fascinated with that as a kid. Very beautiful. And then here's the coin. I hate to take it out of the sleeves. It doesn't even look like there's like fingerprints or anything on it. So I'll probably keep it in there actually, but I'll try to show it to you without that glare on it. So the coin says 1986 on it. And yeah, both in really good condition. That's really fun. Let's take a look at the next envelopes. I like how it's wrapped. Very nice. Cool, Thailand. Cool postcard too, real colorful. Capital, Bangkok. Population, wow, that's a lot of people. Language, Thai. Floating market. Someday I hope to visit some other countries. The only one I've visited is Jamaica, where I was married, and I did, when I was staying there, go down to the little hotel staff and I gave them $1 and they gave me back a bunch of coins and stuff just for $1 American dollar. So just keep that in mind. If you travel somewhere, they're normally nice and they'll do that for you. So it's funny how like some of the countries it's very similar, but ours is just so different to me. Like they're shorter, and I guess this one isn't as colorful, but still very pretty. And again, they are definitely crisp bills. They are in very good condition. There's a better view of that coin. I'm going to take that first part out so maybe you can see it better. I feel like I see that a lot with some of the coins that I have, where it's like a different color, smaller coin inside. Looks like a penny inside a quarter, basically. So that's fun. Just seeing how everybody else does it. And let's see what's in lucky envelope number 3. Romania. Cool. Transylvania. Oh, that's neat. Love that they include the maps. As I said, I'm not very geographically versed, so very cool. Nice little pictures. Looks like a very pretty place. Ooh, look how fun that is. I was about to say it looks like a solar system, and I guess it is. That's cool. This may be my favorite one so far. Oh my gosh, and it's see-through in one part? What? That is cool. That is really cool. And, oh, 2 parts, actually. Okay, yeah, definitely my favorite. See-through there, and there. Colorful. How fun. Let's check out the coin. 500 on there. I can get it to focus. There we go. Ooh, love that. Okay, I might take it out. This one reminds me of like, oh, surprisingly pretty light. It reminds me of some kind of like decoding system. There are letters, well, it says Romania, actually, several times going around it, engraved on the side. That is so cool. Yeah, so favorite coin, favorite bill goes to Romania. Loving that. And I'm loving this subscription. This is so fun, and I cannot wait to show this to Jackson. He's very much into coins, just like I was as a kid, and his mind is just going to be blown to see what other countries' money looks like. I mean, even for adults, I think that's awesome. So if you yourself are into collecting coins, or you want to educate your children on what other countries, you know, how they do things differently, this is a great subscription. It's only $11.99, so it's pretty affordable. And if you guys would like to subscribe or take a peek at their website, I will put all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.